What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money with Microwave. So Microwave is a platform where you can do some micro works like small tasks, for example, like filling a survey or just transcribing an image or doing data entry or making an account like this small micro jobs that pay you for doing this work. So first off, head over to Google and type in Microworks, and here you can see the official website of Microworks. Click on this website. After clicking, you will be redirected to this home page of Microworkers. On your right top, click on Register. Here, this will ask you about your details like your name, your gender, company, email, password, everything. So here you have to provide your valid home address and valid city. Now it says that tick these checkboxes if you don't want to subscribe to email notifications. After checking all the checkboxes, just simply click on submit. Now for verifying my email, they have sent the verification email at this email. After going to my mail, I clicked on the link and here it says click here to activate your account. Okay, so my account has been activated. Now here you have two options. Are you an employer, like you want to give a job, or are you a worker, like do you want to accept the jobs? So I'll just click on list available jobs. Here I have to log in my account by simply entering my email and password and just type in this captcha. After that, I'll simply click on login. So after that, they send you an authentication code at your email. After that, just copy paste this code and click on verify. Then your account will be verified and you will finally be welcomed on this Microworkers home job page. From here, you can do multiple micro jobs and earn your money. So that was all for this video. Thank you everyone for watching, and I'll see you next time.